Hello, Nick. Good evening. Hi, Nick. Can you hear me, Nan?
Uh,
All right, there you are. How are you?
I'm happy.
Very good because you are happy. What's the weather today? What's the weather? What's the weather?
It's cloudy.
Cloudy. All right. So the same here, it's cloudy because it is nighttime already. Anyway, for tonight, we are going to continue with our test. Are you ready with the test? Oh, this is just a practice test for speaking. Are you ready, Nan?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this one, oh, we're already done with this, right? Okay, now here, I want you to look at the animals. Can you see the animals? Can you see the animals?
Yeah. I can see a
Very.
frog, fish,
And what's that?
and pineapple.
Very good. I want you to look at the frog. What color is the frog, Nan?
It's color green.
Nice. Okay, do you like a frog?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I do. I want you to say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, now, where do frogs live? Where do frogs live?
No,
Do they live in the water, on land? Where do they
in the
live?
water.
Yes, actually, frogs live both on land and in the water. Now, what can frogs do? Can they fly? What do frogs do?
Frog is. mm,
What do they
mm,
do? Do they fly?
no, do they jump?
Yes, very good. I want you to say frogs jump. What can
Frog,
frogs do? I want to say frogs can jump.
frog can jump.
Great job. Okay, what do they eat? What do they eat?
I don't know.
They eat insects. Do you know insects? Do you know
Is
insects?
no.
All right. So
Is
insects
blind?
are animals that are small and have 6 legs. Small
Are
animals
you blind?
and
Are you
have
fly?
6 legs. What?
Are you fly?
Yes. Insects, most of the insects fly. Very good. So we have fly. What else? Butterfly, mosquito, ant. But ants do not fly. They can't fly. Ant. What other ant? What other insects do you know? We have grasshopper. Grasshopper is also an insect. Do you know what is a fly? Do you know fly? I'm going to show you a picture, Nan. I want you to look at my screen. This is a picture of a fly. Look at the fly. That is a fly.
Yes,
This one, look, can you see?
yes,
That's the fly. Do you know butterfly?
yes. No.
Very good. No, you don't know? Okay, I'm going to show you. This is a picture of a butterfly.
Wow.
All right.
The
What about
butterfly.
mosquito? Do you know mosquito?
Mosquito is me. It's a put.
What? It's not a food. It's not
Mm,
food. This is mosquito. Look.
yes, it is
Okay, no.
cold.
What about ant? Do you know ant? Look at the ant. That is
Yes.
the ant. Okay, what about grasshopper?
Mm, no.
No? All right. So this is what grasshopper is. They're
Mm,
green and they like to be on the plants. Grasshopper. Like this one. This is the grasshopper. Okay. So look. Fly, butterfly, mosquito, ant, and grasshopper have 6 legs. And they are all insects. All right? Okay.
insect.
Very good. Now look. What is this?
It's a fish.
Very good. Now, where does the fish live? Where does the fish live?
Mm,
Yes, Nan?
I don't know.
Okay. Now listen carefully. Wait a minute. Where does the fish live?
Cá sống ở đâu?
Thả sông ở đâu?
It's in the water.
That's right. The fish lives in the water. Okay. So, look. How does the fish move?
Moon.
Can fish do? What can they do?
They
What?
swim.
Very good. Do you like fish?
I like eat fish.
Wow, nice. I want you to say, I like to eat fish.
I like to eat fish.
Very good. Okay, now look. What is this?
It's a pineapple.
Very good. What color is the pineapple?
It's color red and yellow.
Very good. Do you like a pineapple?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because it's yuck.
It's yucky.
Yeah.
Actually, pineapple is yummy. It's yummy. Pineapple. I love it. Pineapple is sweet. Yes. But
Really?
we can only eat pineapple like few slices, not a lot, because it actually damages our mouth. Okay. Now, look, pineapple is a fruit. Okay. So, what is your favorite fruit, Nan?
I like the dragon fruit
Very good. Why do you like a dragon fruit?
because it's wet and yummy.
Yes, that's right. It's sweet. So, what color of dragon fruit do you like? The white one or the pink one?
Why?
White one, really? I never tried the white one, only the pink one. Okay. So, Nan,
It's
what do
yellow.
you often eat? Yellow? Is there a yellow dragon fruit? Let me see. I'm not sure if there's a yellow dragon fruit actually. I've never seen one dragon fruit that is yellow. Do you have a yellow dragon fruit?
I can.
Yes, actually there is. There's one. This one. When it becomes very ripe, of course, only the cover of it is yellow. This one. Yes, there is one, but just the cover of it. But inside of it is actually white. Yeah, so this is the dragon fruit that I tried. Look, this one. This one, the pink one. That's the dragon fruit that I tried. The white one and the yellow one, I never tried it. Okay. So Nan, what do you often eat for lunch?
Where?
Here. What do you often eat for lunch?
It's a strawberry.
Oh, you eat strawberry for lunch? Are you sure?
And it's
What
rice
do you often
and
eat
meat
for lunch?
and soup.
Yeah, soup, ramen, and meat. Very good. Do you eat rice for lunch?
Yes.
Yes, nice. Rice is life. Okay, so finally we are done with speaking part one. Now, are you ready with unit two? Are you
Yes.
ready?
I
Okay,
can.
now let me see. Oh, actually, it's not here. Why? Let me download it again, Nan. Okay, Nan, what did you do today?
Eat the dinner.
You had dinner, of course. Okay, what about in the morning? What did you do in the morning?
Mm, and brush and brush your teeth and go to school. And I have
Wow,
breakfast.
you had breakfast. Nice. What did you have for breakfast?
Mm, it is spaghetti.
Spaghetti. That's so yummy. I love spaghetti. Do you like hot dog in your spaghetti?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, you say, yes, I love. All right. So, anyway, let's look at this picture. Okay, what can you see in this picture? Look, what can you see in this picture, Nan?
I can see a people, water,
Very good.
mm,
What else?
and sand, a dog, pancake, book, oranges, banana, bowl,
Nice.
picture.
Okay, now, where is the hat? Where is the hat?
The hat is in the map.
All right, you say the hat is on the mat.
The hat is on the mat.
Very good. Now,
The
where
matter.
is the matter? Where is the ball? Where's the ball? Look, Nan, where is the ball?
The ball is on the sand.
Is it on the sand? Are you sure?
Mm. It's between the girl and the dog.
That's right. Very good. How many dogs are there?
There are two dogs.
Nice. What is the boy doing?
The boy is swimming.
Nice. Where is the boy swimming?
The boy is swimming in the water.
That's right. Okay. Is he swimming in the pool? Is he swimming in the pool? Look, is he swimming in the pool? Look at the boy. Where is he swimming? Is he swimming in the pool or in the sea?
It's in the sea.
That's
A
right.
seesaw.
Yes, in the seashore, near the seashore. Okay, now look.
In the seesaw.
Okay, what is the man doing?
The man is drinking the orange juice.
Yes, I
Yummy.
want you to say the man is drinking an orange juice.
The man is drinking an orange juice.
Nice. What about the mother? What is the mother doing? Look, what's the mother doing? What's the mother doing?
The mother is eat a banana.
All right, one more. The mother is eating a banana.
The mother is eating a banana.
Very good. Now, what is she wearing? Look at the mother. What is she wearing?
She eating a banana.
What is she wearing? She is
Wearing
wearing.
a dress.
That's right. Okay, now what about the man? What is the man wearing?
The man is wearing a t-shirt and a trouser.
That's right. Very good, Nan. Now, this time, I want you to describe the picture. Oh, not yet, not yet. Okay, so let's look at this one. Let's learn the words. Look and say juice.
Shoes.
Very good. Beach.
Beach.
Holiday.
Holiday.
Radio.
Radio.
Monster.
Monsters.
Go on holiday.
Go on holiday.
Very good. Now, this time, I want you to describe the picture. Look and describe the picture. Again, I want you to describe the picture, Nan.
Tôi muốn bạn mô tả bức tranh này.
I can't see.
Look, can you see the picture?
Yeah, I can.
It's the same picture. I want you to describe it.
I
Đó là
can
cùng
see
một bức tranh mà tôi muốn bạn mô tả nó.
the picture have a people, a dog, a bowl, a book, a hat, orange juice, a banana, a dress, a shoe, a t-shirt, a trouser, a t-shirt, and a sock. A
Very
sea
good.
and the sand, a mat.
Okay. So instead of saying that one, you can say, in this picture, there are many things, such as mat,
Mat,
ball,
ball,
dogs,
dog,
book,
people,
hat, trousers. What else? Dress, sand,
powder,
and
sock,
shoes.
sock, sock, sock,
Socks. Very
Sock.
good. Okay, now this time I want you to look and
A
read.
sock. On a sock. Sock.
All right, now look and read, please.
Sock. Sock. This is a sock.
Okay, that one. Is this a sock?
Yeah.
All right, you say short.
Short.
Short. Okay, now I want
Short.
you to look and read in this picture.
Mm.
Oh, this one. I want you to read this one. There are, how many people are there?
There are four people.
There are four people.
The boy is swimming in the sea. The dad is drinking the oranges. The mom is eating a banana. And the girl is playing the ball with my dog.
All right, now this time I want you to look and read. In this picture,
It's mom and dad.
oh,
Wait for
okay, so let's
dinner.
complete it. Mom and dad. Okay, now look and read. This time, I want you to look at the screen. Read the sample description of the picture. So this is how we should do it.
Lần này tôi muốn bạn nhìn vào màn hình đọc mô tả mẫu của hình ảnh, vì vậy đây là cách chúng ta nên làm.
Okay, in this picture,
In this picture, there are many things.
such
Such
as,
as mat, bowl, dog, book, hat, trouser, bed, sand, and sock. Shop. There are four people. The boy is swimming. The girl is playing a ball with the two dogs. Mom is wearing a bruises and eating a banana. With dad is drinking some oranges. They on a holiday at the beach.
that's right. So that is how we should do it. Okay, I want you to say such.
That
Okay, then while.
while
Very good.
in shop.
So do you like to go on a holiday, Nan?
Yes,
Nice.
very nice.
Where do you like to go? Where do you like to go?
And I go to the beach.
To the beach. Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I can swim
Wow,
with
that's really
my
nice. With who? Who do you swim with?
I can swim with my brother.
Wow, that's
Brother,
nice
it's
because you like to swim with your
3 years
brother.
old.
Wow, your brother can swim at the age of 3. That's really nice. He's so amazing. Okay, so Nan, it's already time. Thank you so much for joining our class. It is good that you can practice answering in a complete sentence.
A
However,
star.
you still need to improve more in describing the picture. I want you to close your eyes, Nan. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. I'm going to give you something. I will give you, okay, in the count of 5, I want you to open it. All right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is your reward. Open, open, open.
Mm,
Oh, it's gone. It's here. All right. Well,
I
thank
can
you so
sleep.
much. You're sleeping. Yes, because of closing your eyes. You can sleep now. So good night and see you next week. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.